Move cursor to Windows search bar. Type Edit Power Plan. Click on Edit Power Plan. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Select and click on Processor Power Management. Click on Minimum Processor State. Change the On Battery and Plugged In state. Click on the Maximum Processor State. Also, set the On Battery and Plugged In state to 100%. Click on Apply and click on OK. Refresh the computer. Now restart your computer.